Are really hot right now. Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Scott Paget. I don't think I can recall a time where there were this many storms out in the Atlantic.
Yeah, 2005, the last time that we had this many storms. And if we go into the Greek alphabet, it would be the second time ever in history that this has happened. Closer towards home, we do have that mix of sun and clouds greeting you right now. 89 degrees, the current temperature. Looking at the Dallas sky cam, here we are in Fort Worth. We have 87 degrees at DFW, feeling like 90. Dew points at 67. That's what you're going to notice the next few days. The tropical moisture back in play. Our winds at the surface out of the northeast at 10 miles per hour. So across North Texas, not too bad. Mid to the upper 80s, even the upper 70s out in Graham. We're at 86 right now in Athens to 89 in Corsicana. So into tonight, not too bad. Temperatures in the mid 80s. You'll notice that mugginess around by the time we get to 78 degrees with our winds out of the northeast. What you're also going to notice, yeah, ragweed. It's back. I suffer from it. Medium category today, tomorrow, medium high, Wednesday in the high category. So plan accordingly as you're going to be stepping outside. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies off and on through the day tomorrow. We start out in the low 70s on our way up into the mid 80s again. Rain chances just at 10%. But we talked about it, and you can see all the systems meandering their way around the Atlantic. 5 going on for us right now. I stopped that again for us. So we have all of those different forecast tracks, most of them out of the open water. Paulette out over the open water. Same story for Teddy, Vicky, Renee, no longer going to have an advisory. It's pretty much dissipating. So the one that's closer towards the U.S. coastline, again, Hurricane Sally, that we're continuing to track. Right now, winds are sustained at 100 miles per hour. That center is 105 miles east of the mouth of the Mississippi River. Slowed down in the forward movement. It's now moving west-northwest at 6, which means it's going to feed off of this really warm Gulf water. It's going to continue to drive that water up ahead of the center of circulation. So storm surge continuing along the coastline. Center of circulation possibly very close to parts of Louisiana, Mississippi. By tomorrow afternoon, still a Category 2 hurricane, but look at that, sustained winds at 110. Remember, when we reach 111, that's a major hurricane, a Category 3. The potential is there, so we will watch this as we go through tomorrow into tomorrow night, possibly then making its way onshore right near Biloxi, very close to that, maybe closer towards Mobile, and then making its way inland as we go through Wednesday into Thursday, then downgrading to a tropical depression, then a tropical low by Thursday afternoon, closer towards Atlanta. A lot of flooding rains on the way. Let me move this over just a bit more to show you exactly what's going on as far as the hurricane warnings are concerned. All of southeast Louisiana, Mississippi, and then into parts of Alabama, even stretching over to near Pensacola. So we're going to keep our eyes on that. And why is Sally moving where it is? Well, there's a big ridge of high pressure off towards the west-northwest. A dip in the jet stream is going to drive Sally further off towards the east. That's why we've seen that track shift to the east just a bit more. What are the impacts here? Not a lot. We won't have any direct impacts from Sally, maybe some indirect impacts in the form of tropical moisture increasing. Wednesday afternoon, 88 degrees by Thursday, rain chances 50%. And then, Brooke, after that, we have a cold front move through, sunny skies going into the weekend, and temperatures holding in the mid 80s.
Sounds good, Scott. Thank you.